This is the coconut shell shipped from Southeast Asia. The customer wants to tear the coconut shell into smaller sizes. Our workers pour the coconut shell into the double shaft shredder, and we can see that the size of the shredded coconut shell is still relatively small. The Kowloon Machinery's double shaft shredder machine is a widely used industrial shredder with low speed, high torque and high throughput, designed to efficiently process a wide range of materials. It can be equipped with different components depending on the material and final size, or used with other stages of shredders to reduce the material to the desired size. Kowloon Machinery shredders are equipped with planetary reducer and grand motor for highly reliable performance and low maintenance cost. The JLSS double-shaft shredder blade set is optimized for the processing of lignin and cellulose and is cost-effective and durable.